Hello, hi friends and students. This is Naresh. I am teaching maths for TET DSC syllabus and students also. If you are preparing for TET, just watch the video till the end. You can get good information. Let's begin the class. In previous class, we have discussed about types of number systems. So today I want to discuss about separately about natural numbers. In that even, odd, sari sankhyalu, base sankhyalu, pradhana sankhyalu, samyukta sankhyalu. Okay, these we are going to discuss about in this class. First, sahaja sankhyalu, natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? You know that the numbers, counting numbers are called natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. What is the smallest natural number? Is 1. Greatest natural number we cannot be determined. So natural numbers, you have to remember one formula. He may ask in the competitive exams questions. The sum of first n natural numbers, modati n sahaja sankhyaల మొత్తము. For example, first 10 natural numbers I am taking. Sum of first 10 natural numbers. Sum of first 10 natural numbers. So how can you find this? By writing 10 numbers, and addition will be little bit hard. We have one formula. What is that? n into n plus 1 by 2. So n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula for sum of first n natural numbers. So 10 natural numbers are there. Directly n you have to take as 10. Okay, you replace the n by 10. 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2. This is equals 10 into 11 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 5s are 5 into 11, 55. So sum of first 10 natural numbers is 55. So like that we can find sum of 100 natural numbers also, 90 natural numbers also. So same formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is very important. And according to the conditions, we have divided the natural numbers into another number systems. What are the number systems? First, sari sankhyalu, even numbers. The numbers which are exactly divisible by 2. So means ఏ సంఖ్యలు అయితే రెండుచే నిశ్శేషంగా భాగించబడతాయో వాటిని సరి సంఖ్యలు అంటాము. So here 1 is not divisible, so 2 divisible because 1 time, and 4 also, and 6 also, so on like this. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, okay, 14 like that, so on. So these are called even numbers. The smallest even number, what is that? 2. Greatest even number cannot be determined. Like that you can get in exams also these bits you have to remember. And here the sum of first n even numbers, we have one formula. What is that? Sum of first, for example I am taking only 5. Sum of first 5 even numbers. Okay, so we have the formula is n square plus n, or n into n plus 1. This is the formula. Okay, so 5 square, substitute, just replace the n by that number, n square, 5 square plus 5. The 5 square how much? 25 plus 5, 25 plus 5, 30. Okay, I'm checking what are the first 5 even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So this is 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 4 plus 6 also 10, 3 10s 30. Okay, you are getting 30. So what is the formula for sum of first n even numbers? Means మొదటి 5 సహజ సంఖ్యల మొత్తము, n square plus n. You have to substitute the 5. So here also this one. And coming to odd numbers. So even numbers means which are exactly divisible by 2. So means odd numbers means which are not exactly divisible by 2. So 1, 3, 5, remaining all we can write 1, 3, 5, 7, okay, 9, so on like that. So these are the odd numbers. So same like that, sum of first odd numbers. What is the formula? Sum of first, same I am taking 5 odd numbers. Not only 5, you may ask anything, but I am giving small example. So very simple formula, that is n square. This is the formula. Okay, so 5 square, 5 square means 25. 5 5s are 25. You can check here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the first 5 odd numbers, means base sankhyalu. So 1 plus 9, okay, 10. 3 plus 10, 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25 you are getting. So this is very useful formula. So మొదటి 5 బేసి సంఖ్యల మొత్తము, ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ n స్క్వేర్. మొదటి n సరి సంఖ్యల మొత్తం n స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ n. మొదటి n సహజ సంఖ్యల మొత్తం n ఇంటూ n ప్లస్ 1/2. These three you note down. These are very very important. Okay, so these are the formula. Next, the prime numbers. These are very very important. Prime numbers, pradhana sankhyalu. Okay, so what are the prime numbers? Means the numbers which are divisible by only two numbers. The two numbers are 1 and itself, means the number having only two factors. So for example, first one is not prime number. Next, 2 is called prime number because 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. So it is divisible by 1 and itself also. Okay, itself means danikade. So like that what are the prime numbers? And 3, okay, 5. So like that I am going to write up to 100 prime numbers, because everybody you have to remember up to 100 prime numbers. Without remembering you may get struggle. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 7. Only you can check odd numbers while writing prime numbers. And 9 is odd, but 9 is not prime number because 9 having more than two factors. The number which is having only two factors, 1 and itself. So next 11, next 13, okay, 15 not 17 and 19 also, and 21, 23 and 20, okay, not 25, not 27 also. Okay, so 31 and 37, not 39, 41, 43. Okay, next 47. I am counting, I am checking once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 you are getting. So something is missing. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, not 17, okay, 19 and 21 not prime number. 23 here missing. 27, no, 29, sorry, 29. So these are the prime numbers below 50. So below 50, how many are there? You can observe you are getting 15 primes. So you may get bits also. How many primes are there below 50? 15 primes. Okay, and you have to remember one more important point in this. The smallest prime number, that is 2, and one more bit you can get. What is the even prime? You can observe all prime numbers are odd except 2. So 2 is even, remaining all prime numbers are odd numbers only. So these 2 we can call as even prime. Okay, so sari pradhana sankhya, right? So 15 primes. I am again writing above 15 to 100. So 51 is not prime. 53 and 57 not prime. 59, okay, 61, 63 not prime. 65 not prime. 67, okay, 71 is prime. 73 and 79. Next 83, 89, 91 is not prime because divisible by 7, and 97. Okay, I'm checking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, very good. So here 10 primes. So you can remember like that. From 50 to 100, how many primes are there? 10 primes. From 1 to 50, how many primes are there? 15. So total 1 to 100, how many prime numbers? 25 primes. 25 primes. So these primes very useful. You have to remember while doing many problems. You can understand easily. So these are the primes, and in this I am going to say few words, few points about this. So కవల ప్రధాన సంఖ్యలు, కవల ప్రధాన సంఖ్య, ఆర్ we can write in English twin primes. కవల ప్రధాన సంఖ్యలు. What are the twin primes? So the two prime numbers having difference is 2 means వాటి భేదం అనేది రెండుగా ఉండాలి. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద లైక్ ద ట్విన్ ప్రైమ్స్ మీన్స్ 3 and 5 are called twin primes. Okay, that is one pair. And 5 and 7 also twin primes. And 11 and 13 twin primes. 17 and 19 twin primes. Next here 41 and 43. Okay, so like that here 71 and 73 and no other. So these are called twin primes. So you may get bits twin primes. What are the twin primes? Kavala pradhana sankhyalu. So the difference of two primes is 2. And you can get one more pair. The saha pradhana sankhyalu means co-primes. Saha pradhana sankhyalu, co-primes. So remember one thing, this is very very important. Co-primes, co-primes is not prime numbers. You have to remember one thing, their common factor is only 1. Okay, their common factor is only 1. So for example 5 and 6 I have taken. Here 5 is prime but 6 is not prime, but we can call these are co-primes. Saha pradhana sankhyalu. How can you say? Means their common factor will be 1. How? You see 1 comma 5. So these, it is divisible by 1 and 5 because it is prime. It should be divisible by only two numbers, 1 and itself. And 3 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6. You can see common factor only 1 for these two. So these two are called saha pradhana sankhyalu, co-primes in English. Okay, so what are the saha pradhana sankhyalu means? Their common factor is only 1, highest common factor. So twin primes, co-primes, kavala pradhana sankhyalu, saha pradhana sankhyalu. Okay, co-primes means no need to be primes, but twin primes means see, they should be primes and the difference is 2. You have to remember like that. And if you take any two primes also, they will be co-primes because 3 and 11 I have taken. Their factors, you know that 1 3, here also 1 11, common factor will be 1 only. So if you take any pair as primes, you can say that co-primes also. But without primes also we can say, for example 5 and 12, these also co-primes because 5 having only 1 and 5 factors, 1 and 5, and 12 1 2 3 4 6 12 like that, but common factor is 1. This pair is called co-primes, saha pradhana sankhyalu. So next samyukta sankhyalu, so composite numbers, composite samyukta sankhyalu. So you have to remember one thing, these are primes except primes, remaining all are composite numbers and excluded 1. Okay, you have to remember one thing, one is not prime, not composite. Pradhana sankhya kaadu mariyu samyukta sankhya kaadu. So except 1, remaining all, except primes, remaining all, excluded 1. So remaining all, what are the remaining? First 4 and 6 8. Okay, 2 all, 1 is not composite number, 2 is prime, 3 is also prime, and 4 6 8. Okay, 10, so on like that. Why we are calling these are composite numbers means the number which is having more than two factors, more than two factors. If you see 4, it should be divisible by 1 and 2 and 4. You can see 3 factors we are getting, more than 2. Okay, so then we can call this number as composite number. Very very important bit in this, the smallest composite number. What is the smallest composite number? 4. Okay, the smallest even number, 2. Okay, smallest even prime. So what is the even prime? 2. Smallest prime number 2. So like that you have to remember for competitive exams purpose. So these are called composite numbers. Why now? Okay, once again revising, what are the composite numbers? The numbers which is having more than two factors we can call as composite numbers, samyukta sankhyalu. Okay, కారణాంకములు రెండు కంటే ఎక్కువ కారణాంకములు కలిగిన నెంబర్ని మనం సంయుక్త సంఖ్యలు అంటాము. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, సో thank you everybody. I hope you understood these concepts very easily. So in next classes I'm going to discuss about divisibility rules and so fractions, decimals, like that. All TET syllabus I'm going to cover that. If you feel that it is having good information, please like my video, share to others, subscribe my channel. Thank you everybody. Bye bye.